How to change WhatsApp business account to normal or personal account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your WhatsApp business account to a normal or personal WhatsApp account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your business WhatsApp app. Then here, once you're in the app, you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner here. Then tap on settings. And here in settings, tap on chats. Then here scroll down and open chat backup. And now you have to back up all of your WhatsApp data. So here scroll down, tap on Google account and select the Google account where you want to back up. After selecting, wait for the authentication. Then here scroll down, and if you agree to the terms, tap on allow. Then here, after you have authenticated your Google account, you have to tap on backup and wait for all the data to back up. And after the data is backed up, go to home, open normal WhatsApp app. Then here tap on agree and continue. Enter the phone number here that you want to convert from business to normal or personal WhatsApp here, and then after entering the number, tap on next. And here it says switching to WhatsApp Messenger will delete all of your business information. Only your messages and media will move. You will permanently lose your catalog and items, greetings and away messages and labels. By switching, you confirm you approve deletion of your information. So remember that all of these things will be deleted, and if you want to continue, tap on switch, and then here tap on verify with SMS, and WhatsApp will send you a OTP. So you have to enter the OTP here. After entering the OTP, your verification is completed, and you can write here your name, then tap on next, or if you want, you can also add your picture. To add your picture, tap here and add a picture, and your WhatsApp is converted from business to a normal or personal account. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.